Today we're looking at division number stories, and the one we're going to be working through together is Aria had 13 pieces of beef jerky to share evenly with her 3 friends. How much jerky did each person get? So one thing that I always share with my students is in situations like this, it's always food is being divided by people. So if we look at the problem, we have 13 pieces of jerky is being shared with Aria and her 3 friends. So that makes 4 people, and we're going to use a B, which stands for beef jerky. So now we have a little division problem to do. How many times does 4 go into 13? 4 goes in 3 times with 1 left over. So our quotient is the 3, and the remainder is the 1. Okay? But since it's food, this remainder is the last piece. Well, I know food is also very easy to share. With beef jerky, we could cut it, rip it, and we could easily give each person a fraction of a piece. So that comes down here to what happens to the remainder. We will be able to report it as a fraction. All right? And don't overthink this. Let's just do a second division problem, which would look a little like this. We have 1 piece of jerky being divided by 4 people. Another way to write 1 divided by 4 would be to show it as a fraction, which means the same thing. 1/4 means 1 divided by 4. So we are going to change our remainder into this fraction of, well, not change the remainder, but we're going to use the remainder to come up with the fraction 1/4. So we put together our quotient and our new fraction, and each person got 3 1/4 pieces of jerky. And our final question to answer here is the why. Why do we report it as a fraction? And to put it most simply, so since food can be split easily, the 1 piece of jerky was split 4 ways, meaning each person gets 1/4 of the last piece.